Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the alternate Gmail account. Sign in and verify email and phone. Once done, enable two-step verification so payments stay secure, and add recovery options to avoid lockouts. Next, open your Google Payments profile and make sure the billing address and contact details match the payment method you plan to use. These steps prevent declines and identity checks. Make sure to record the account nickname or label so you can identify it when selecting a payer during checkout or in settings. You now link the payment method to that Gmail. Go to Payments. Google.com, choose Payment Methods and add your card or bank account. Once added, adjust permissions. Decide whether the method is usable only by this account or shared across family or business groups. To verify, authorize the small $1 or micro charge and confirm the code or amount so Google marks the method as verified. Doing this reduces friction at checkout. If you see a temporary hold, that hold clears after verification. You finish by choosing the alternate Gmail as the payer when checking out or in Google Pay settings. Inspect the displayed billing name, last 4 digits, and address before confirming. Once the payment goes through, monitor transactions in both Gmails, linked payments activity, and your bank to catch disputes early. If payment fails, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, rerun two-step verification, and confirm your bank hasn't placed a fraud hold. That one troubleshooting step solves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.